Okay, give. Give. Good girl. Back up. Sit. No, that's not a sit. Sit. Come on. Sit up. Come on, Leapy. Come. Leap. Sit. Alright, you want the ball instead? Come here. Look. Ready? Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, sit. Good girl. Drop. Good girl. Come here. Leap. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Come here.
So I can spend more on what I really want. I count on the Freestyle Promise program. Make it count for you. Only the Freestyle program gives you discounts, support, and more. Enroll today. Greg, 32-inch LCD TV, $299.
Leap.
2-inch TV, $489. Everything's on sale during Christmas in July.
Hey, you. Where you going? Where you going? Come on. There she is. Ready? Come on, Leapy. Come on. Go. Go, Leap, go. Go, Leap, go. Go, Leap, go.
When you were standing there, you seemed calmer. What I saw when they were counting down, they count down to they going live and they say 5, 4, 3, 2. And you were counting along with it. You went 5, 4, 3, 2. I love you. And you went back. And I saw you say I love you to Lee right before and the cameras came back. You were in your own world. I don't even think you heard it because I saw you. You seemed calmer than the expression I was looking, but you looked actually like you were physically ill. Were you feeling, what were you feeling inside before and then right when?
Right.
Yeah.
Honestly, when he always does the pause, and the winner is, I was just like, come on, say it, man, say something. And then he said my name, and it was just like this weight was lifted off me, and it was just like the most amazing feeling, because, you try so hard, and you work so hard at something, this has been such a long process that, to actually do it.
Whoa. Leapy. Come here, girlie. Leap. Come. Good girl.
Looked like she was going to be
Get your brother.
aware of that. Did you feel that she was ahead for a while and it was back and forth?